Welcome to the Animal Rescue Station. I'm the Animal Keeper Kiki. Let's use a drone to find out which animals need our help. Drag the center position. A frozen crocodile is found. This is a sick peacock. A rhinoceros is stuck in the tire. Choose a truck and pick up the injured animals. Hoi! Hoi! Follow the animal icons and you will find the injured animals. Drag the animal onto the truck. Take them back to the rescue center for treatments. Let the animals move into the new dormitories. Let's find out which animals also need our help. A zebra with mud all over is found. A monkey red and swollen all over is found. A Sika deer tangled in vines is found. Choose a truck and pick up the injured animals. Hoi! Hoi! Follow the animal icons and you will find the injured animals. Follow the animal icons and you will find the injured animals. Drag the animal onto the truck. Take them back to the rescue center for treatments. Let the animals move into the new dormitories. The peacock is unhappy because it has a skin disease. Oh my! There are so many bugs on the peacock! The ointment will help the wounds heal. Yeah! The peacock's skin disease is cured! It wants beautiful tail feathers! Peacocks like to eat leaves and insects. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. Peacocks live in jungles. Goodbye, peacock. The neck of the rhinoceros is stuck in the tire. Let's help it. Keep going. The rhinoceros is almost free. Look, the neck of the rhinoceros is injured. Its horn is also broken. Turn the handle to make a new horn for the rhinoceros. Smooth out the broken edges of the horn. Awesome! The rhinoceros has a new horn. Rhinoceroses like to eat all kinds of leaves. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. Rhinoceroses live in open grasslands. Goodbye, rhinoceros. The lake is frozen, and the crocodile is also frozen. The crocodile is saved, but it's still shivering with cold. Wow, those are crocodile eggs. The crocodile eggs will hatch more quickly in a warm nest. The baby crocodiles are hatched! That's great! The mommy crocodile and her babies are very happy. Crocodiles like to eat fish. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. Crocodiles normally live in a river or a lake. Goodbye, crocodile. The monkey crawls around the tree and makes itself dirty and itchy. Take a look and find out where the fleas are. Found them! Let's get them into the jar. Spray with anti-itch potion. Great! The monkey is jumping up and down again. The monkey loves to eat bananas. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The monkey lives in the jungle. Goodbye, monkey. The Sika deer is playing in the forest and has been tangled in vines by accident. Take out the thorns on its body carefully. Look, the Sika deer can run again. The Sika deer likes to eat carrots. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The Sika deer lives in the forest. Goodbye, Sika deer. zebra likes to roll in the sand with mud all over. Wow, it's clean! Let's examine the interior of the zebra. Oh no! There's a lot of dust in its lungs. Let's help it clean the lung. Great work! The dust has been all cleaned up. The zebra likes to eat all kinds of branches and leaves. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The zebra lives on the grassland. Goodbye, zebra. Wow, this dormitory looks awesome! Wow, this dormitory looks awesome! Let's find out which animals... Wow, this dormitory looks awesome! dormitory looks awesome! Wow! This dormitory looks awesome! Wow! This dormitory looks awesome!